We'll guide you through how to remove the private number from your phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. While having a private number can be useful, it can also be really frustrating. Because when you go and call somebody, it will go and say something like unknown number, private number, or basically it won't go and show the number. And so they won't always go and answer it because they don't know who's calling. And also, in some cases, certain people's phones and even companies may just go and ignore it because it can't go and read the number. And if there's a certain sort of privacy mode set up or spam mode set up, it won't go on call. And so you can't go and get through to people. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and remove this and make it so your number will go and be visible again. So make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. So it also will go and mean as well, because they'll be able to go and see the number. They will be able to go and call you back and message you, etc. So there is a bit of a trade-off. But of course, in the future, you can always go and adjust the setting again. But it's probably best to go and remove it for now, which is what we're going to guide you through doing. We're going to keep this guide broad so you can go and follow along with your phone. We're doing this on a Samsung Android. What you need to do is you want to go and find the phone app. As you can see for me, it's at the bottom. You can always go and swipe up and go and search for phone at the top if you're struggling to go and find it, and open it up. Here we are, and what you want to do is come to the bottom left and select keypad, and you'll go and see where you can go and dial numbers. What you need to do though is you need to come to the top right and go and find the three dots and tap there, and you want to go and press settings. Wait for it to load. Now, you're going to see quite a few different information here, and yours may look slightly different as well, but we're going to help you navigating this. So what you need to do is we need to come down, and it can go and be called different things. For example, I know in some people's phones, it could be like hide number or show number. So on this phone, we need to come into supplementary services. So you may need to go into like a because this is the main call settings, but they can go and be sort of sub-setting sections. For example, on this, we need to go into supplementary services, and then it says show your caller ID. At the moment, this is set to never, which is not what we want. So if I go and tap there, what you can try doing is you can try network default, and you can then try testing that out. That should usually go and show it. Otherwise, what you can do is go and have it set to always, and that should go and show your number. So after you've gone and changed it, we can then come back, and what you want to try doing is making a call, and that should go and solve it. So hopefully you've managed to go and change the setting now. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.